Hey there, adventurers! Are you ready to become a word magician? Today we're going to find some amazing magic words that make all our stories super awesome. Let's go!
Okay, so here's our first little story. It just says, "The child slept." It's okay, but isn't it a little bit sleepy? Kind of boring, right?
Yeah, I think so too. So, the big question is, can we make this story way more fun? Oh, for sure. We totally can. We just need to add a little sparkle with some magic words.
And here they are. We're going to use magic words. Now, grown-ups sometimes call them adverbs, but magic word is way cooler. A magic word is a special helper that tells us more about an action, like sleeping or running or singing. And to find them, we have to ask 3 secret questions.
Okay, here's our first secret question. It's all about time. You ready for the clue? The question is, when did it happen? Was it a long time ago, or did it happen just now?
These are our when words. Words like yesterday, or soon, or today, or even right now. All of these tell us exactly when the action happened. It's like putting a time on our story map.
Let's see what happens if we add the magic word yesterday. Our sentence suddenly gets better. Look, yesterday the child slept. See? Now we know a little bit more of the story. Great job. Okay, let's find our next secret clue. The second question is all about the place. It asks, where did it happen? Was it happening close by or way far away? And here are some where words. These are awesome because they point to the exact spot where things are happening. Words like here or there, in or away, they all tell us the location. Let's try one out on our little sentence. The child slept here. Perfect. Now you can picture it, right? We don't just know that the child slept. We know where they were sleeping. Okay, word magicians, are you ready for the last and maybe the most powerful question of all? This one adds all the cool feelings and colors. The question is, how did it happen? These how words are my absolute favorite. They tell us the way an action was done. For example, the child might sleep soundly, or a knight might fight bravely. These words tell us so much about the action itself. Now look what happens when we pop a how word into our sentence. The child slept soundly. That one little word helps us imagine how peaceful and cozy they were. It adds so much cool detail. Ooh, and I've got a secret hint for all you word detectives out there. A lot of these amazing how words end with the letters ly, which makes a ly sound, like in slowly or bravely. Keep an eye out for those.
Okay, you've learned all 3 secret questions. You've found the magic words. Are you ready for the big finale? Let's put all our magic together and build a super sentence.
And here it is, our amazing transformation. We started with just, the child slept. But now, look at our super sentence. Yesterday, the child slept soundly here. Isn't that a million times better? We did it! Wow, that's incredible. Our little sentence grew up and now it tells a whole story. We know when it happened. That was yesterday. We know where it happened. That's here. And we know how it happened. Soundly.
And you can do this with any action in any story. Just remember your magic word checklist. First, you ask when. Then you ask where. And finally, you ask how. Easy peasy.
Your adventure is really just beginning. Now you get to go look in your books or listen to the stories people tell you and see how many of these awesome magic words you can find. What magic words will you discover today? Happy hunting!